Hello everyone, TheSenpaiCode here. So over the past month, I've had a couple different individuals come to me with the same problem. So I figured I'd make a quick little tutorial for anyone that is also having this issue. So basically the issue is that the object selected in the scene view will no longer autofocus in the hierarchy. So over here in the hierarchy, it will no longer autofocus. For example, I have the mushroom selected. Normally when you select something like the pipe, it will actually auto scroll down and highlight it like it is here. And this may be an issue because you could have a whole bunch of different subdirectories within, like what I have here. I have, one here, and then I have one which would be the mushroom within this object. And it may take you time to actually come over here and find the object. So here is 4 different solutions for this issue. It's not a bug, it's actually a lock feature. Whether you hit a hotkey, whether you accidentally click something, you most likely have the hierarchy locked. So this is the most common one, and then I'll go into the other 3, which is a bit more in depth. But so just come up here, unlock it, and now if I actually click the mushroom, it's going to have it highlighted here. But if I click the pipe, it's actually going to auto scroll down and find this pipe for me. I should also mention before we go forward that the inspector also has a lock feature, and all 4 of these solutions for the hierarchies lock will also work for the inspector lock. So if you're having trouble scrolling down or something to do with the lock feature for the inspector, it's not finding the right script, it's not scrolling down to the right render or whatever, this should work for the inspector as well. So that's the first method here. So now if I actually lock it again, say it is unlocked for whatever reason and it's still having that same issue, the second method that you can actually try is to reset your layout back to the default. So come up to Windows, come down to Layout, and then come to Default, and it will actually set it back to default. And as you've seen, it was locked, but now it is unlocked. A whole bunch of things could have been awry. Maybe you had something in the search, even if it's just one little thing. And this is the third method. If you had something selected as well, like M, just even one letter, if it has an M in it, it's actually going to put everything up, and maybe you didn't notice. So like gem, enemy, system, platform, anything with an M. So the third method is if you don't want to try to reset the layout, maybe check to see if you have something in your search in the hierarchy. That could be an issue. I've heard of that before. And basically what you do after you reset the layout too is all you need to do is just reset it how you had it. And this is actually how I had it. So I believe this is how I had it. And so my layout is back fine. And you could always reset, like I don't have that on and whatnot. So it's just about going and redoing how you like it. So that is the third one, the search. So the fourth and the last one is try closing and restarting Unity. Sometimes something goes awry with Unity and you just need to actually just restart it. I've had that for different issues where it's just a simple restart will fix it. So that's the fourth method. So hopefully one of these 4 have helped you out with the auto scroll to the object that you want selected, like I said, the pipe or whatever. If this did help, leave a like, comment down below so others can find this video. It does help this channel out greatly, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.